Welcome to this tutorial. During this tutorial, we'll be having a look at how to log into the LGP website and also VendorPanel. To log into the LGP website from the homepage, hover over the Login and Sign Up button and select the first option for Login to LGP. Once selected, you will be redirected to the login page, and you can enter your details on the left to log into the LGP website. If you've forgotten your password or don't yet have an account, you can select either of these links below the login button. Alternatively, if you're looking to log into VendorPanel or the LGP reporting gateway, you can select either of these options here on the right. Once redirected to VendorPanel's login page, you can enter your details in the box here on the left to sign in. Alternatively, if you don't yet have an account, you can select this link here on the right to register your details. And please allow for up to 48 hours for account activation. Please also note that if you're not an LGP approved contractor or customer and are looking to access the public VendorPanel marketplace, please head to www.vendorpanel.com and register your details via the homepage. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please contact us via the details on the screen at operations@lgp.org.au or on 02 8270 8752.